Building the technology cornerstone. TXGA M16 Circular Connector. The main body and terminals of that adopt integrated in-mold injection molding technology, and the terminals doesn't loose or rotate after being inserted. He plug is added a lock to cable assembly for further strengthen the interconnection. The product can lift more than 15 kilograms, and more 500 mating times. Then they can provide a stable and long-lasting electrical connection for the device. Crown spring sockets designed for the female terminal. Increase the contact area, reduce the contact impedance. The maximum electricity can reach 12A, and the contact impedance is less than 5 milliohm. When the plug and the socket is locked, the connector can still maintain a safe interconnection in a vibration environment. Modern industrial equipment is facing high temperature, low cold, high humidity, dust, corrosion and other environmental challenges in its application. Therefore, the plug and socket are respectively equipped with multiple sets of sealing rings, which support operation underwater up to 50 meters. The shell is formed by die-casting alloy material, and the surface is treated with special process. It can adapt to the application requirements of harsh industrial environments with its high strength, corrosion resistance and the performance of salt spray test meet more than 1,000 hours. The TXGA M16 Circular Connector conforms to the AISG standard C45 and complies with the design requirements of IEC 61076-2-106. Product materials comply with EU environmental protection standards. It has been widely used in industrial automation, engineering mechanization, 5G communication, wind power and other fields. From the series of M16 Circular Connector by TXGA.